How to make a disposable pastry bag using parchment paper. Hi everyone and welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to share with you how you can make a disposable pastry bag using parchment paper. But first, if you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. To make this pastry bag, you are going to need parchment paper or wax paper. If you don't have parchment paper in your country, you are going to need a cutting board, tape, sharp scissors, a pen, marker or pencil, whatever you have handy, a ruler or a measuring tape. Okay? First, we're going to start by making a straight line on our paper. I really like to use this cutting board, and the paper is very translucent, so we're going to be able to see where is the line, so we can go very straight. So I am going to arrange my paper to the nearest line, and I'm going to put a little bit of tape so my paper doesn't move. And I am going to cut a straight line. So now I am going to cut out a piece of paper 21 inches long. Okay? If you want, you can use a ruler to trace the line. So I have my line marked, and also I have the little guide of the cutting mat. So I'm going to try to be as accurate as possible. Now we are going to make a mark in the middle of this paper in 10.5 inches, and we are going to make a line of 10 inches and 3/4. So now that we marked that, I am going to take out the paper from my mat. Remember to put some tape so your paper doesn't move. Now we're going to trace a line from this corner to this point, and then from this point to this other corner, and we're going to make a big triangle, okay? And if you remembered your geometry classes, we are going to make an isosceles triangle that it has two sides of the same measurement and the same angle. And now I am going to cut. So our triangle measures in the base 21 inches, and in this side it measures 14.5 inches. Okay, now we're going to call this corner A, this will be our corner B, and this side is going to be our corner C. Now we're ready to make our pastry bag. First, you need to meet corner B with corner A. So now that we have met corner A and corner B, you will need to be sure that it is everything straight, and you are going to put a piece of tape . And now we just need to take corner C to corner A, okay? And very good. Now that we have met our points A, B, and C, we have our pastry bag. So what I normally like to do is I like to fold this part . Now I am going to fill up my pastry bag, and later on we're going to make a little cut in the tip. Very good. Now you're going to use your pastry bag as a regular pastry bag. You are going to close it If you want, you can close it like that. And you are just going to twist. As you can see, the icing is starting to coming out. And if you want, you can make a bigger opening on your pastry bag. Here I have a little cookie, I'm going to outline it. And you will treat your pastry bag as another regular pastry bag. And you have your pastry bag ready. Cookie baking season is just around the corner, and I hope that this video will be very helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment box below. Follow me on my social media, particularly on Pinterest, is where I share a lot of cookie ideas. And don't forget to be always super creative in all your baking and particularly in your cookie decorating. See you until next time. Bye bye.